Hello everyone and welcome back. Thank you for watching this video and thank you for following me on Instagram and on YouTube. We have already talked about the alphabet, but the letters of alphabet sitting together would sound differently, and we are going to talk about the sounds as well. Today, we are going to talk about one of the letters which would be difficult to be pronounced by native speakers of Persian learning English, and that would be W. The sound of W would be we, we. As you can see, the lips are round and we pronounce it as we. In Persian, we definitely have V sound, like in the words very, Vikings, but where, which is used in the words like when, where, we. So the sounds are different. Why it is important to know it is because part of understanding the other person is lip reading. It's very important to pronounce letters and sounds correctly. Okay, so here we go with some examples of the words with where in them. So words include we, ma, where, کجا, when, چه وقت, why, چرا. And for practice, normally I use this sentence for my students to have a little bit of workout for the muscles of the face, and that would be we went to Wendy's wedding last Wednesday with William. So say it again if you want to. We went to Wendy's wedding last Wednesday with William. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next videos.